MONIFOOZ Tech. Just leverage technology.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name is Muzammil Ali and welcome to this MONIFOOZ Tech channel. In this video I am going to show you the outline stroking feature for any object in the given image. You might be wondering what is it. Someone might use it even. You might be using it either in Canva, SaaS based product, or else you might be used in image editing software like Photoshop or anything else. To put it simply, you make a thick boundary over the border of any object with some color. Before jumping into this video, if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting videos around computer vision and gaming technology. Alright guys, I'll show you straight away how it looks like visually. Before that, you have to bear me. I'll go for photo shoot now. Okay, enough. I think you got the idea now. This is how it looks like. The focus for the rest of the video would be, what is the use case for this feature? How would I implement this algorithm? How the algorithm works? What is the programming language I used? Obviously I used programming language as Python. And so what are the packages are in use? Finally, I'll be running the demo from start to end to show you how the process is. Let's get started. First thing first, let's get started to understand the working principle of this algorithm. You see, I made this simple animation to explain you the process. There are 6 screens in this animation which shows you each stage output in the process of that algorithm. This algorithm demands 2 inputs, that is our image to be stroked and the color of the stroke. In the 3rd stage, it segments the human body using Unit 2 family of deep learning neural network. In the 4th stage, what we do is we just scale the segmented images little bit, and in the 5th stage we get the difference of those scaled as well as non-scaled images as a stroke information. At the end, what is the final step? We have 2 information which is required for the last stage. That is, we have stroke information as well as our original image. Using bitwise AND and OR operator at all pixel level, we extract the foreground image with stroke information and background image with our human body without the border line. Then we merge both the images to get the stroke image as a final output, as you see in the 6th screen. In this section, I'll show you where to download the source code and how to use it. And you can look at the source code link here. I am putting in the screen right now. Once you download the source code, just follow my instruction. Just go to the Google and type make my POC. You will get the first link as my GitHub result. Go inside the image editing utils and you will find the GitHub. I am using GitHub desktop, and you can take the link and put it in URL. Provide the location where you want to store this repo in your local computer. Now you are ready to clone this repo. Once you clone this repo, you'll get the downloaded version. I am using Visual Studio Code as a development setup with Python extensions installed in it. Let's take a look at this folder structure. You got 2 important files. One is add stroke image.py, which is the usage file for this stroke package. I would say this is sort of command line utility. Let's explore what's there in the package. And you got a package called social media utils, in which you'll have a sub package called stroke. And you can see the dependencies for this package. The most important dependencies are OpenCV and REMBG. I would like to mention the storage space for the deep neural network when you run for the first time. Once you run for the first time, it downloads all the required deep learning neural network based on the input you have given. Since the remove background package uses the Onyx runtime, the file format is Onyx and it will be getting stored under the user folder with subdirectory .u2net. To run the program, you have to know all the command line parameters such as model name, input folder, input file, output folder, color and vdebug. As I mentioned earlier, we have to provide the model name. The model supported are U2Net Human Seg and U2Net P. And this is based on trade-off between time and accuracy. If you like to process only one file, then you need to give the path of that file in input file. How about more than one file? Yeah, you got covered with input folder option. You have to list all the files in the folder and give that path. Output folder option helps you place all the output files. If you don't specify any path, it will create based on the current time. Next parameter is an influencing one. You can specify the stroke color using W3Z naming convention. You can visualize output for all the intermediate stages using this option, vdebug. Guys, I hope you got the information about command line parameters and it's ready to run the program in 4 different test run. First run is I'm not going to change any parameter, it's just a single file as per the default values. The second run is just change the color stroke. The third one is with multiple files and the fourth one is to use the visual debug feature. Before that, I want to mention that I'm using Python Conda environment with 3.8.13 version. Now let me run the program with test run 1 and you can see the output. I am going to run the test run 2 with changing the color of the stroke as red and you can see the output now with red. For running the test run 3, I am putting all the files already in this folder under sample. I am going to make use of input folder option. -d sample as the input. I am making the program run and you can see there are 6 files getting processed and you can see the output. As the final test run, I'm going to make use of visual debug by running for only one file with green color, and you would find a debug folder where you will have all the intermediate stages output. See here, color, everything is there. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video, and so far we looked at what the feature is, its use cases, and also we've learned about how it works, and finally we've gone through the demo application. I hope you find this implementation useful. By the way, don't hesitate to download the source code from GitHub, and I provided the link below in the description box. Try it and don't even hesitate to give feedback for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll be getting back soon. Thank you for watching MONIFOOZ Tech channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching.